Have you ever wondered how you can make money from ads on YouTube? The cool thing is there's a whole YouTube ecosystem where there's a lot of people making a lot of money. Google's making billions of dollars. There's brands and businesses that are making billions of dollars through advertising, and there's YouTubers and creators who are making millions and millions of dollars. There's plenty of money to be made by everyone in the YouTube ecosystem. So, in this video, I want to share with you how money is made in this YouTube ecosystem, and whether you're a YouTuber or creator or a business owner, entrepreneur, how you can tap into these resources and this ecosystem in order to make money. Okay, so here is a model on how everyone makes money in the YouTube ad ecosystem. And it's pretty fascinating how it all works. So let's talk through the players first, right? The first player is the YouTube viewer. These are people who go on YouTube and they're watching content, right? What are they watching? Well, they're watching YouTube channels. And these YouTube channels are made by creators. These people who make videos, they share their content on YouTube channels, and that's what people are watching. And how is this happening? Well, this is a product or service that Google/YouTube has created. So that's another player in the game, right? And then the last one are these entrepreneurs or businesses. So the way this works is people's attention, they go on YouTube and they're watching this content that's on the YouTube channels. Now, where attention goes, ads will flow, right? So because there's a lot of attention on YouTube, businesses see this, they have products or services that they're interested in selling, and they say, hey, they look at all these people's attention, we want to put ads in front of them and invite them to purchase our products or services. So that's what they do. Whether you like it or not, that's what happens. So here's the cool thing. These businesses are paying billions of dollars to Google and YouTube in order to advertise on their platform. Google and YouTube take some of this money, and that's what they use to pay creators or these YouTubers. This is done through AdSense, right? So that's one way that creators can make money in the YouTube ecosystem. Not only that, but when the marketing's done well and advertising, these viewers watch the content, they see ads, and they're buying products. They're paying for products and services because they see the ads, right? So there's billions of dollars being exchanged between consumers and these businesses on the platform. Now, Google and YouTube are providing value to the viewers because, one, you have a great platform that allows you to watch content from all over the world. You can be educated. YouTube is a very valuable tool. And in exchange for providing the tools or the values to these viewers, we give them our information and some of our data, right? And that's what makes YouTube such a powerful advertising platform. They know how old we are. They know what videos we're watching. They know what we're interested in. They know what we're searching for. So love it or hate it, that's how this ecosystem works. And that's how any platform works. There's that saying, if you aren't paying for the product, you are the product, right? Well, so this is how the YouTube ecosystem works, and this is how everyone makes money. So what can you do with this, right? So if you are a creator or a YouTuber, how can you leverage this? Well, the first way to make money as a creator or a YouTuber is to create a YouTube channel and monetize it. This is where you get paid by Google through AdSense to allow ads on your YouTube channel. All right, so that's one way to make money as a creator. Another way to make money is you yourself have a product or a service that you want to sell, right? And that kind of cuts out the middleman. You could advertise on your own channel. Um, the other, I mean, you see a lot of YouTubers do this with like their own merch, right? You can create your own merch and you sell that. So that's a second way that you can make money as a creator. And third, you can do sponsorship deals. These are where businesses will pay you money to make videos for your YouTube channel, right? You don't have to go through Google or YouTube to do this. You can basically build the video, build their product or service or their message, inside your actual video, and people will pay you money to do this. So those are the top 3 ways to make money as a YouTuber or creator. And as far as a business or businesses go, or these entrepreneurs, is if you probably, I mean, you already have a product or service that you're looking to serve people with. And so you can leverage these ads and you can use it to generate leads for your business. You can use it to generate applications or have people book phone calls from these ads. Or if you have an e-commerce business, people will see the ad, you show them the product, and they'll click on that ad, and they'll go straight to your website and they'll purchase from you. So again, what's cool from a business perspective is you have all this specific data on what people are searching for. So let's say your business and you sell shampoo, right? And so people go on YouTube and they search for dry scalp or how to have healthy hair, or they search for how to heal damaged hair, or whatever that is. They are searching for that on YouTube. They're watching YouTube channels and content about hairstyles or beauty products. Well, bam, you can create a video that says, hey, let me share with you our shampoo that helps you heal or cure your dry scalp or to remove dandruff. There's a really high product market fit where people are searching for something that your product or business can solve, right? So there's a huge value add there for businesses. So this is the YouTube advertising model. It's great because everyone wins. Viewers win because they get a great tool to use, which is YouTube. YouTubers and creators win because not only are they growing their audience, but they have a way to monetize that audience. Entrepreneurs and businesses win because they have a way to get their product and services in front of these relevant audiences. And Google and YouTube wins because they make money from the businesses and the information from people who are on their platform. So it really is a win-win-win situation for everyone. And this is how the ecosystem works. So that's how the YouTube ecosystem works. That's how you can make money. Again, to recap the cool things, if you're a creator or a YouTuber, you can make money by allowing ads on your YouTube channel through AdSense. You could even create a product or service that you can leverage your audience for and invite them to take action on. And 3, you can do sponsorship deals where people will pay you money to make videos that have their product or service ingrained in them. If you're a business or an entrepreneur and you already have a product or service, you can make money by tapping into the audiences of these creators by showing their ads on their channel. You can use ads to drive leads to your website. You can use them to get customers. If you sell an e-commerce product, you can get customers by tapping into their audience as well, or any type of application or download where you need leads. So whether you're a creator or a business owner, the YouTube ecosystem is such a great place to get your message in front of millions and millions of people, and you can make money while you do it as well. So I hope this video was valuable, and I invite you to take action now and start tapping into that YouTube ecosystem so that your business can grow and you can make money. If you haven't already, subscribed to our YouTube channel where you can get more great videos and tips on video marketing, and you have a great day.